Hello guys, welcome to a new video. You are watching Technical Learners. In this video, I will show how you can create custom call to action buttons with Canva and Capcut for your YouTube videos for completely free. That looks like this. And if you are new here, check out my previous video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's go to canva.com. Now, click Create a Design and choose the Video section. We are going to be creating the green screen effect with Canva. Choose the color picker. And type hashtag 00B140. Let's just extend this by 7 seconds. Now, go to the elements and choose a rounded square shape. And adjust the shape. Choose a circle frame and adjust. And put it in the box. Then go to Uploads. I already uploaded my logo, just drag and drop in this shape. Then go to the text and add 2 text boxes. Adjust the color of the box according to your needs. Let's add our brand name and headline. Adjust the font size. Choose the font you like. I am going to choose Roboto Condensed. Go into Elements, and we're going to search for the subscribe button. In this case, what I did was crop out this section here and adjust the size and drop in the box. Go into Elements again and search for thumbs up. I grabbed this one. Now change the color from Color Picker and choose the exact red so it is matching. Again, go to Elements and choose the circle shape. And choose that red here. Go into Elements and look up for bell shape. And I want to go into Animated. Then, look for the animated click button. I am going to choose this one. Adjust the size and place it over here. Then, select all of them and hit the Ctrl+G button. It will be grouped. Place it over the center. Now we are going to animate the box. Select the baseline animation. It's not properly working, so we are going to ungroup and again group the box. It's still not working properly, so we are going to do the same thing. Finally, it's working. Then click both and click Reverse Exit Animation. Now click on the subscribe button and select the flicker animation. Let's play the video. Wow, it's looking stunning! Now we have to download and export into the Capcut. I already imported the video we have downloaded, so drag and drop the file in the timeline. Now we have to add sound effects, so go to Audio and then Sound Effects. Look for Deep Whoosh. I have already added to my favorite list. Drag and drop it into the timeline. Then look for mouse click and drop it here. And then go for Belding and drop here. Now adjust the layer for the main video. Go to Import and import your main video. I have already imported it, so drag and drop it in this layer. Now, adjust the sound to your needs. Go to Remover and click Chroma key and drop it here. Now, increase the intensity to 40 and hit the Enter button. And boom! Your background will be removed. This is the video we have just created. Isn't this cool? So that's my little ninja trick as to how you can use Capcut to create efficiencies in your editing process. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends or anyone else that you think might benefit from this video. Thanks for watching!